Alright guys, today we can see this is back in its home in the TARDIS, and got a little temporary camera hooked up until I go through and do all the settings for the Pi camera that is here. I don't know if this is going to have better quality or if this does. If this does, I'm just going to leave it. But yeah, this is where I'm at. I switched from Clicky to the BTT Eddie, and I also noticed that the E-steps are right on any of the axes, so I need to do some calibrations. But there it is, extruding some filament. So I mean, I guess you could say it's alive. So let's see if we can do a that might need to sit up a little bit higher. That's homing, and I don't think I have a setting for doing the bed mesh on here. It's in here. Nope, doesn't look like it. Anyways, I did have a question about the Eddie, if somebody knows. Is it supposed to scan? Because that's what all the videos that I see show it doing. It just sitting there scanning over the bed back and forth, not stopping. And mine, once I got it set up, it sits there and probes just like it used to. It's quicker, but I thought the whole thing was that it didn't have to do the pickup and, you know, down and probe and pick up and move over and that whole nonsense. So I'm gonna do some calibration cubes, get this thing dialed in, and go from there. Probably chose a really good color for doing this, you know, black. But yeah, alrighty.